Tremendous Virtual Visa Card. Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today you are going to learn how to use Tremendous Virtual Visa Card. So let's get started. If you want to use your Tremendous Virtual Visa Card, first check your email inbox for a message from Tremendous. Then open it and click the redemption link. This will take you to a page showing your card number, your expiration date and CVV. When shopping online, enter these details just like you would with any credit or debit card. For the billing address, there is no default one attached to the card. Simply enter your own address when it's asked for. There are no foreign transaction fee and the balance is in USD. If you make a purchase in another currency, the current exchange rate will apply. You can monitor your remaining balance on the redemption page or through your purchase receipts. Also make sure to check for any expiration date so you can use the full amount in time. And that's all. That's how you will be able to use your Tremendous Virtual Visa Card.